Last 5 seconds. Ready, start. In these cross transfer petitions filed respectively by the wife, transfer petition civil number 83 of 2019, and by the husband, transfer petition civil number 463 of 2019 of an estranged marriage, after rounds of preposition for settlement, ultimately the parties arrived at a settlement on 16/11/2019 that was duly taken note of by the Honorable Single Judge of this court in the order dated 4th December 2020, and thereby several cases between the parties, including the child custody petitions filed by them, were also disposed of. While concluding the said order dated 4th December 2020, the court found two aspects of the matter remaining to be taken care of, one being of dissolution of marriage with decree of divorce by mutual consent, and second about the interim custody of the child to the mother. The court therefore kept these petitions pending and provided for the arrangements looking to the impending Christmas vacations in the following words: there are two more things remaining to be done. The first is to file a joint application seeking dissolution of marriage by a decree of divorce by consent, and the second thing that remains to be done is to provide interim custody of the child to the wife during Christmas vacation, in order to encourage the parties to honor their commitment under the agreement and not to create any further problems between them. I keep both these transfer petitions pending. The husband shall hand over the custody of the child to the wife on 19th December 2020, and the wife shall return the custody of the child to the husband on 1st January 2021. During this period, the child shall be with the mother. These transfer petitions may be called immediately after the court reopens after Christmas vacation. On the next date of hearing, both parties may file a joint application for divorce by mutual consent. The parties shall bear in mind that unless this arrangement is worked out by both of them smoothly, their application for dissolution of divorce will be in jeopardy, and it may not be viewed in the light of the settlement agreement. It has been pointed out during the course of submissions today that the arrangement as expected by the said order dated 4th December 2020 did not work out, for which each of the parties to the litigation has its own submission to make, but at this stage we need not enter into any of those aspects and would prefer leaving the same for the present in view of the order proposed to be passed today. Two applications are placed before us in these matters, one being the joint application by the parties seeking dissolution of marriage with a decree of divorce by mutual consent, and another being an application by the wife seeking interim custody of the minor child. Though on 25th April 2022, Learned Counsel for the parties made submissions for passing appropriate orders on the joint application seeking dissolution of marriage with a decree of divorce by mutual consent, and thereafter to consider the prayer in the other application for interim custody, but looking to the background aspects as available on record, we have considered it appropriate to examine the prayer in relation to the interim custody of the minor child at the first and before passing orders on the said joint application for dissolution of marriage. After having heard learned counsel for the parties on the said application seeking interim custody, and having taken note of the terms of settlement which both the parties have arrived at, including the provision for visitation rights as also interim custody as mentioned in clause D of the settlement agreement in its paragraph 1st to 10, more particularly that mentioned in paragraph 6 thereof, as also taking note of the admitted position that the child is at present having summer vacations which commence from the first week of April 2022, we deem it appropriate to provide for interim custody to his mother for a reasonable period during the summer vacations. It has been informed that the summer vacations for the child shall be up to 5th June 2022 and the child will be required to attend the school again on 6th June 2022. It has also been informed that the wife is residing at Nagpur at present, whereas the husband and the child are residing at Ernakulam at present. In the totality of the facts and circumstances of the case, we consider it just and proper to provide for interim custody of the child with his mother from 4th May 2022 to 30th May 2022 in order to facilitate the processes of handing over, taking over, and for appropriate supervision. We also deem it appropriate to provide that the same be carried out before the respective family courts where the parties had earlier filed their respective custody petitions. Accordingly, it is ordered and provided that the husband, Mr. Arjun Sashi Kumar, shall hand over the custody of the child Advait Nair to the wife, Miss Divya Nair, before the Principal Judge, Family Court, Nagpur on 4th May 2022, latest by 4 p.m. We would request the said Principal Judge, Family Court, Nagpur to draw a memo of such proceedings of handing over the custody of the child with reference to the custody petition number D3 of 2019, which otherwise stands disposed of in terms of the order of this court dated 4th December 2020. A copy of the memo may be forwarded to the registry of this court. The wife, Miss Divya Nair, shall hand over the custody of the child Advait Nair back to the husband, Mr. Arjun Sashikumar, before the Principal Judge, Family Court, Ernakulam on 30th May 2022, latest by 4 p.m. We would similarly request the said Principal Judge, Family Court, Ernakulam to draw a memo of the handing over of the custody back to the father of the child with reference to OP number 1358 of 2017 in that court that had also been disposed of in terms of the order of this court dated 4th December 2020. A copy of this memo may also be forwarded to the registry of this court. Having regard to the circumstances of the case, we deem it appropriate to take up these matters for necessary directions before the summer vacations of this court stop.